A single scent can unlock a memory you didn't even know you still had. Welcome to Curious Growth, the Daily Dose. I'm your curator. Have you ever caught a whiff of freshly cut grass and suddenly felt the sun of a childhood summer on your skin? Or the scent of an old book that instantly transports you to your grandmother's study? This isn't just your imagination running wild. It's a well-documented neurological phenomenon, often called the Proustian Effect, named after author Marcel Proust, who famously described a rush of memories triggered by the taste of a Madeleine cookie dipped in tea. So, what is the science behind this olfactory time travel? The answer lies in the unique architecture of your brain. Most of our senses, sight, touch, hearing, process information in a very orderly, roundabout way. Data from your eyes or ears first travels to a brain region called the thalamus. You can think of the thalamus as a kind of central switchboard, sorting and directing sensory information to the appropriate processing centers in the brain for logical interpretation. But smell is different. It's the renegade of the senses. When you inhale a scent, the aromatic molecules travel up your nose to the olfactory bulb, the brain's smell processing center. And here's where the magic happens. The olfactory bulb has a direct superhighway connection to two of the most important parts of your brain for memory and emotion, the amygdala and the hippocampus. The amygdala is the hub for emotional processing, while the hippocampus is crucial for forming new long-term memories. Because of this direct wiring, smell is the only sense that gets a VIP pass straight to these deep, primal brain regions without stopping at the thalamus first. This intimate connection means that when we first encounter a new smell, our brain forges a strong associative link between the scent and the moment we're experiencing, the emotions, the people, the environment. This is why smell-induced memories are often so vivid and emotionally charged. They aren't just recalled, they are re-experienced. The memory doesn't feel like a distant photograph you're looking at. It feels like you're stepping right back into the scene. A sight might remind you of a fact, but a scent can make you feel the entire moment. So here's the big idea. Our powerful connection to nostalgic smells is a direct result of our brain's unique wiring. This isn't a flaw, it's a feature. The direct link between our olfactory system and our core memory and emotion centers makes scent a potent trigger for vivid emotional recall. It's a biological inheritance, a direct line to our personal history that bypasses the analytical parts of our brain and speaks directly to our hearts. The next time a familiar scent stops you in your tracks and sends you hurtling back in time, take a moment to appreciate the incredible, invisible architecture at work. You're not just remembering, you're experiencing a fundamental and powerful part of what makes you human. I'm the Curator. Thank you for listening to the Daily Dose.